Be happy. Don't depend on other people. Be who you are. Dream big and succeed those dreams. And stop being hard on yourself. Bye.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a hair routine with Noriyas. So I wanted to do like a wash day routine with both of us, but it was just gonna be way too much. So I decided not to do that. I decided to show you guys her actual routine and what we do outside of the shower, and then I'll just tell you guys what her actual wash routine was. But I am gonna do a wash routine video, but you guys have to thumbs up this video and let me know if you want to see that. I'm pretty sure you guys do want to see it. This is Noriyas' hair, and we're definitely going to be doing a protective style because I do not want her hair to get tangled, so I don't really have it where I actually, you know, wear it out. Noriyas barely ever wears her hair out big. Sometimes she does, but it's like, okay, so before I get started, I want to tell you guys to go over to the Noriyas by Shantae Instagram and give it a follow. I told you guys that I was trying to like reach a goal, so give it a follow. This is the information right here. Just make sure that you follow that account. You won't be, you know, disappointed because there's some good stuff over there. So let's go ahead and get right into the video. So basically, I'm gonna go ahead and start with my hair. Noriyas, do you want me to do your hair or you want to do your hair? You know Noriyas knows how to do her hair now. So do you want me to do it or do you want to do it?
I'm a little sleepy. I have to schedule my hair days.
That means that I'm gonna have to do her hair. So I guess we're gonna start with Noriyas' hair routine because you guys have seen me do my hair a million times, and I'm pretty sure you would like to see Noriyas' hair routine before you would see mine. So let's go ahead and get started. Can you put your head up, Noriyas? I'm basically just going to do a really quick twist style on her hair. So in the shower, I washed Noriyas' hair with the Pink Honeysuckle shampoo by Noriyas by Shantae, and I also put the deep conditioner on. Noriyas' hair, this product right here works amazing on her hair. It really softens her hair, and it helps for the detangling process to be a lot better. It helps me out so much. So Noriyas has type 4A curls, and some of her curls are type 3C. So amazing on her hair. So that's what her hair has now. And when we got out of the shower, I just put a little bit of conditioner on her hair. So that's what she's working with right now, like a little bit of conditioner. So I'm going to go ahead and take the Angelic Cocoa Curl Creator Cream and put that on her hair so that I can do her twist. What's your favorite product so that people won't think that I'm just making up stuff?
The Honeysuckle Deep Conditioner.
The pink Honeysuckle Deep Conditioner? Yeah. Why?
Oh my gosh!
Why do you like that one over all the other products?
It's because it's soft.
It's soft, and what did you say in the shower?
I don't remember. Oh, I like the smell, and it is pink.
She basically likes that deep conditioner because it's pink and it makes her hair soft. So it's like her favorite product. Okay guys, so I'm going to basically be showing you guys the weekly routine for both me and Noriyas. So Noriyas' hair, actually I keep this in for about 2 weeks and then I'll retwist it after that. But these styles work amazing for our hair, so I'm excited to finally have it on my channel. So I'm gonna take the Angelic Cocoa Curl Creator Cream and I'm just gonna put that all over Noriyas' section. And as you guys see, I put quite a bit of that product, but I really want to put a heavy note on the fact that I'm spraying Noriyas' hair pretty, like I'm putting a lot of water on her hair, basically because when I do this, it helps the product to actually penetrate through her hair. And also, like with both me and Noriyas' hair, we have low porosity hair, so Honestly, when I have a water bottle handy and I'm able to spray it on my hair, it makes a world of difference in the end of the style because it really helps with the moisture. So the products really help with the moisture as well, but you have to have water, which is like the main moisture. You want to have that on your hair. So make sure you have a handy water bottle by you so that you can just spray it on your hair, and it just makes a world of difference in your hair routine. So that's what I just went ahead and did. So Noriyas' hair is super thick, but I love the fact that her hair is like already detangled and I don't have to do a lot of detangling out of the shower. That's because I used the Pink Honeysuckle deep conditioner on her hair while in the shower, and we pretty much did the detangling in the shower. And also these types of styles like twists and things like that make it super easy for when it comes to wash day for her hair not to be super tangled. So if I was to have her hair out during the week and like a wash and go or something like that, when it came to wash day, it would be very hard for her hair to be detangled because it would just be out. So with Noriyas' hair, it's easier for me to do my wash days when I have her hair in twists or braids on up into her actual wash day, so that her hair is not super tangled. So this just makes it a lot easier for moms who don't want to deal with that or have hair similar to my daughter's hair. For moms out there that want to find a style that is like really easy on time and also is super beneficial to the hair. And if you guys are wondering, this is a heavier cream. It does have honey and sesame seed oil in it, which is one of the reasons why I love it, because it really does last when it comes to moisture. So that's why I'm putting so much on Noriyas' hair. But when I get to the front of her hair, I do take the Angelica Cocoa Clear Course Jelly and put that on her hair, just because the front of her twist, I want to make sure that I get like her edges and stuff like that. Okay, so once I'm done with Noriyas' twist, this is how it's looking so far. But I'm going to go ahead and take a silk scarf and I'm going to put that on her hair just to make sure that everything is sleeked down and kept in place. So I'm going to go ahead and start on my hair while Noriya kind of like, you know, walks around the house for about 10 or 15 minutes. So I'm just going to go ahead and start on my twist. And I'm not going to go into detail on these twists. I talk all about this hairstyle in my previous video, which you guys can find at the top right here. So I have it linked here and also in the description box for you guys. And I tell you guys all in detail on why I love this hairstyle for myself so much. So I'm just going to go ahead and put those in. So I really love wash and goes. I'm not against wash and goes at all. But during the week, normally I just don't feel like doing my hair. So I'll put it into these twists. And then if I feel like doing an entire wash day routine and actually doing like a wash and go as well, then I'll have my hair out. But definitely not feeling that today. So we're just going to put my hair into two twists. And I pretty much used the Angelica Cocoa Curl Creator Cream as well. I just didn't use as much as Noriya. So I use a lot less of the cream on my hair because, like I said, it's a pretty heavy cream. And then I actually use more of the Angelica Cocoa Clear Course Jelly. And that was not for any particular reason. I just love that jelly so much. So when I use that jelly, I'm usually very heavy-handed with that because it's like a moisturizing jelly as well. And so the last step is to just put Noriya's hair into this hair tie. And I always use a silk hair tie. I never use anything else. And yeah, that's it. Okay guys, so that was our curly hair routine. Of course, we didn't do an actual wash and go, but these styles really do keep our hair thriving. Like Noriya's hair is super long because she's always has like a protective style in or a twist or something like that, to like hold in all the nutrients from the products that I put on her hair. And then my hair, I wear it out curly all the time, but when I'm not going anywhere, I wear it this way, right? I always put it in these twists when I'm not like really trying to have my hair out like today, because no. Okay, this child is having some allergies, so she's just trying to keep it together until we get off this camera because she's been sneezing. Noriya, do you want to say anything to them? They've been asking about you.
Be happy. Don't depend on other people. Be who you are. Dream big and succeed those dreams. And stop being hard on yourself. Bye.
Subscribe below if you love this video, and if you want to see more on this channel, then make sure that you subscribe below if you're new here. If you are old here, then thank you so much for clicking on this video and for being a long-time supporter of this channel. So guys, you guys know how Noriyas is. If you're new here, my daughter just has a really big personality, and like that's just her. So hope you guys love this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. And I hope that this was helpful to you guys. If you wear your hair mostly in protective styles, or if you're more of like a person who wears your hair out, like what type of person are you? What type of hair person are you? Leave it down in the comment section below, and don't forget to like this video. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.